Conjunction is one of the operation on proposition. Okay, this one right here symbolizes conjunction and it is read as P and Q. Okay, and the statement is only true when both proposition is true. So let's see this table right here, and we have the proposition P and Q, and we have to find the P and Q. Okay, since let's see the this. Under proposition P, we have true, and under proposition Q, we have also true. So this, both of these is true. So we're gonna write true. And we have next true, and the next one is false. So therefore, this is false. And we have also false and false. So this is also false. False and true. This is also false, because we just need true and true to make the statement true.